In next
Okay.
topic.
Stop.
Now see, tell me now what is non-constitutional bodies?
We told na non-constitutional.
Again tell.
It's a law. It is I told. Bodies.
Body which are not
Non.
Mentioning
mentioned in
constitution.
the constitution.
For
That
example.
women one you told right.
Yeah,
now.
good.
Okay. National
And-
Women and Child Care one.
And
Child protection. Helpline. Women helpline. Something like
it is not a body.
Local.
that. Lokpal.
Yeah,
Lokpal.
Lokpal.
Local.
Lokpal,
हाँ.
CBC, CBI,
ED.
right? ED, right? NGT, Niti Aayog.
Niti
All
Aayog.
these are non-constitutional bodies. Okay.
Planning
And
Commission.
Hmm?
What?
Yeah, planning commission. You see, means all the bodies which are not mentioned in constitution, so they are called what? Non-constitutional bodies. And now under non-constitutional bodies, there are further classification actually. Let me tell that. See, there are no constitutional bodies, that is okay. But now there are non-constitutional bodies and it has further classification. So the first is statutory. Now tell me what is statutory bodies. It is separate now. Constitutional body is separated because they are mentioned in constitution. But here now we will discuss na they will not mention in constitution.
You
And-
can write remaining and we will tell difference.
Okay.
I'm
So-
telling us what you are asking. Statutory is one.
yeah. Tell me what is statutory actually. I think in decision I have told once.
Statutory is non-constitutional bodies, na.
Yeah. All constitutional bodies are that is okay. But what is exactly definition आप statutory है? Yeah, भाग गया.
What are others?
Which are constituted from any law.
Money lana.
Law.
Any law.
Which are constitution under the act, under the
Act.
parliamentary act.
Under the parliament.
Yeah. For example,
Women.
yeah, National Commission for Women and
CBI.
No. CBI is not statutory actually.
CBC.
This is very important. This is the catch actually. Between CBC and CBI. CBI is not statutory but CBC is a.
Statutory.
So this is the catch. Like that there was a catch where. Yeah. Now, like CBC, then there is what Niti Aayog is a.
Niti
No.
Aayog is that.
Niti Aayog is not a statutory body. This is also important.
But it is a non-constitutional.
You
but not a
write the
statutory
remaining
body.
one, then we will do.
Okay.
Write the remaining one.
Regulatory.
Next.
It is regulatory and it is executive. Then what are they? Regulatory, executive,
Temporary. Ad hoc.
non-statutory.
All these are non-statutory, no?
No, they can be both. Then permanent,
Statutory, regulatory.
then non-permanent.
I thought there are only 3.
Then there is also independent bodies, and one more there is autonomous body.
Autonomous.
Yeah. Now tell me.
Niti Aayog.
Niti Aayog will come under which? Niti Aayog will.
Regulation. नहीं. Move your hand ना. What is executive?
Executive means CBI.
है ना?
What do you mean by executive? First tell me.
Executing law.
Executing the law. नहीं. This executive मतलब is right, but CBI is, I don't think CBI is under executive one.
See, executive. Who has said CBI is executive?
I.
Yeah.
It is
CBI.
under executive. Why?
Yeah.
How?
Tell me the definition first. Executive. See, executive is the bodies which has been created by government notification. See, the body which has been created by the parliamentary act, that is.
Statutory.
But the body which has been created by the notification, like Modi has given the notification that okay, this body will be created now. So this is called executive body. Because there are 3 na, legislature, executive and judiciary. So executive means like government notification. So this is called CBI. And Niti Aayog is also executive body. Got it? Now tell me RBI.
Regulatory.
Regulation.
RBI is regulatory or constitutional?
Regulatory one.
Regulatory.
Not a constitutional.
1935 na.
Why?
Money.
It is not statutory.
No, it's not statutory.
Are you sure?
Regulation Act.
Because
RBI
I'm
Act
sure
is the
it
1935.
is a regulation one. Regulatory one.
Is it
will
possible?
regulate.
Is it possible that two bodies can be?
Achha, first tell us, is it
statutory?
it is correct that it is regulatory?
Yeah, it is correct.
Regular.
But
Now we tell you
but I'm asking, is it also statutory?
You can tell me a definition again of statutory. ones.
Act.
It is an act, that's it.
It is derived from Act.
Yeah.
Derived from
But
the act.
it will come na
RBI
1935 before
Act
Constitution.
also there,
Na?
na?
Before Constitution.
RBI Regulation Act is
1935.
Yeah.
Before Constitution.
Yeah. So it is
only
Regulatory one.
regulatory.
regulatory in both. This is very important
How statutory?
because it has been created by the Parliamentary Act 1935, as she is
Huh.
saying, and it works the regulatory work. Regulatory means it regulates something. What? Money supply, inflation. That is the regulation. So this, see, on the basis of creation, it is a statutory. On the basis of function, it is a regulatory. That's it.
Next task.
Let me ask next. Now tell me, ED is what? Enforcement Directorate.
Enforcement.
Execute.
नहीं होगा है ना? It is
Non-statutory.
non-statutory. But non-statutory means not a act, not derived from a act.
Yeah, just opposite to that.
Opposite to that. And this is
Permanent.
Permanent.
ED, na?
Yeah, Enforcement Directorate. Do you know what is ED actually? In death of Sushant Singh Rajput, it was in the news.
हाँ.
Enforcement Directorate, because you know it actually checked the financial transaction.
Hmm.
Because there was a blame na कि Sushant Singh Rajput. I think there was one girl named what?
Hmm. That heroine.
Riya Chakravarti.
अच्छा.
Riya Chakravarti, right? So there was a blame that there was some mismatch between the two, related with money, related with money. So that's why ED was checking that. So that's why it came into the picture.
हाँ.
So actually ED is a what?
To check the financial executive body, na?
It is an executive body because it has been created with the government notification. Yes. Okay. See, I will tell the difference later on, but just I'm doing the classification right now in roughly. So this is okay. Now tell me, Law Commission of India. It is what?
Law
Statutory body, constitutional body, non-constitutional bodies, but what it is?
Law Commission of India.
Yeah, Law Commission.
Statutory.
No.
Constitutional Law Commission of India.
No.
Executive.
Yes. It is a duty. It means कि it has been created by the government notification. Please remember. And now when you will find this body in newspaper, just click that. Okay, it is a executive body. So that's why I'm telling all the bodies together, so that you don't get confused. Like, okay, I don't need this body. Again, you have to search in the Google. So please make the notes. You watch this body video again, and please make the notes. What I'm telling you in the all.